Yo, what is up going guys? This is Saksham back from DTech here with comments. So in this video I'm gonna answer all your questions about comments, means what the heck are comments, why do we use them and how to use them. So what are comments? Comment is a line of code which our browser ignores, or the user or a client who comes on our website or web page can't see that line. Suppose you type h1, if you write your name inside that h1 and you comment that particular line, which we will see how to comment, don't be in a hurry. So if you comment that particular line, that h1, then you can't see that result on the website. So you will say, if we can't see that thing, if we can't see that output of that line on our website, then what's the use of it? Suppose you have couple of images, or you have a whole bunch of line of code of JavaScript of a bot who is you have made a game and you have written a function of a bot. So above that you can write a comment of like snakes and ladders bot, or any chess bot, or any game you have made. So you, if anyone else sees your code, or after 2 to 3 months you forget that and you again check that thing, then you can see that you can make out that yes, this is about the snakes and ladders bot, this is about the chess bot. So that is why we use comments. So now let's see how to use comments. So guys, now let's head to our Visual Studio Code so we can get what are comments. So I already created a file named comments.html. So now let's begin typing with HTML5. So if you want to change, we can change the title, but let's focus on comments now. So I grabbed one image from the web, which I will put here. So you might be wondering which animals or which things image is this. So if you guess it's dog, then it's right, as it is written here, dog. Suppose in case of this link, I put it here something like cat.jpg or cat.png. So you would think that the image is of a cat, but actually the image was of a dog. Suppose a person sees our code, he might not get the images of a dog. So for that, what you can do is you can put a comment. This is the way how we write a comment, and in between here we write whatever we want. So now we want dog, so we wrote dog. So it tells that this image is of a dog. Suppose you have a couple of images. Suppose you have a couple of images like this, and you don't know, and all these images are different. So I have pasted same image again and again, but suppose these were all different images. So how did you get that which image is of a dog, or which image is of a cat, or which image is of a bird? Certainly you need to go in the browser and open. But the another way is to add a comment. Suppose this second image is of a cat, so I will write cat here. Suppose this image is of a bird, let's say parrot. Suppose this image is of any other kind of an like out. So like this, you can add comments about the image tags or any other tag. It's not necessary to add only about image. Uh, you can add it above any of your code. So that is how we comment. So now I will show you how does a comment work in uh, our website. So as I told you earlier, that comment is ignored by the browser, or the user who comes to our website can't see that line. So there we have a browser ready. So I will full screen it so you can see it much better. So now here we will add comment name dog, or let's add, let it be dog here. And if you are wondering how am I adding this comment so fast like this, so I am using a shortcut key which is Ctrl /. I will put it in the description down below. So now we will add an h1 named cat. So let's see which one will show up on a browser, dog or cat. So I will save this. I will get into my browser. So there you can see it, cat. So that is what comments are. This dog is not, this dog is ignored by the browser. When the browser reads this code, this HTML code, when he goes through this code, when he comes to the dog's line, he knows that it's a commented line. So he just need to ignore that. So he ignores this particular line, and then he gets to the H1 line, the cat one line, and gets to the end. So this was it, guys. HTML comments. So hope you liked this video, and if you have seen it till now, then make sure to go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment, not this comment, the YouTube comment, if you still have any doubts on comment, or if you want me to make any video related to HTML. So see you in the next one.